second gear pull, like 45? Sure. All right.
There's no one behind us, right?
No.
Okay. I'll be able to like send you this footage too.
To pick up my Schroth harnesses from the warehouse from one of most distributors, and then I have an hour-and-a-half drive to Garden Grove in Orange County to Studio RSR. They're gonna install the harnesses for me. They're gonna make me some little brackets and stuff for the sides right here, and then we have an hour-and-a-half drive back to Palm Springs. So it's gonna be a long day. But I'm stoked, finally gonna get some harnesses, because I've been running this car like this with no seat belts for I think 8 months or 9 months. So just been chilling like this. They're gonna look so sick though. It's gonna match the interior so good. Alright, my harnesses are installed now. I'll show you guys right now in a bit once we get to the location where I'm going. Alright, I'll show you how these harnesses look and everything. I'm gonna catch you guys back up to speed with everything I've done to the car too. Don't mind my face, it's hot out here, bro. It's 105 and look where I'm at. Right up here where the sun's hitting. But these are Schroth harnesses. They are 4-point harnesses. I'll show you the exact same ones I got. Let me look through my phone, I completely forgot. They're the Profi 2 ASM. So they're these right here. Not sure if you guys can see. So they're these 4-point. You can make a 5-point. It buckles right underneath here. Super bulky. I think these are the 3-inch. Yeah, I think these are 3-inch. These should seem like 12 though. They hug my whole body. So to unlatch it, it's so easy, or unbuckle it, whatever you want to say. You just twist this little knob. It's so sick. I like how it has like the little yellow writing around there. It says Schroth. But yeah, you just literally, it's so easy, just bam, you're out. Dude, it matches so good with the cage. It's black and yellow. Goes so good with the interior. Right here it tells you when they expire, not valid after 2025. It's pretty much FIA. And then let's see, still haven't really looked at them honestly. Like it has this, I haven't even looked at this, but I don't know, it's all legit stuff. And so the reason I went there too to get it installed, they had to make me this it's like bracket here, pretty much mount underneath here. This side is just hooked up to the planted bracket. But yeah, here's the harnesses. Super sick, tells you left and right. So again, you just just unhooks so easy. On the back there. I just gotta roll these up, and then they just pretty much just go right here in the back. Make it look nice. Some people leave these hanging, but you know, I'm not gonna do that. I want it to look nice. I'm not trying to get too crazy with the colors either, like have so much yellow or so much other colors. I just did the cage yellow because it goes really good with the calipers. And then, I mean, this is only a little bit of yellow, just black yellow harnesses. It just goes really well with the interior. But this is pretty much it. I don't think anything else in this car is gonna be yellow, right? I just like to keep it kind of clean and simple, and that's probably like the brightest thing I have on my cars, the yellow cage. Which usually you want to have like a kind of bright cage. I don't know, you want it to pop out inside the interior. The only other color I was thinking about was like white, but I don't have anything white on my car. I mean, like maybe like that sticker, but the yellow just goes really good with the calipers. Don't mind my car, it's a little dusty. I told you I just washed it 2 days ago, but then the very next day I drove an hour and a half to Azusa, and then like about 45 minutes to Studio RSR, so this thing just got dusty right away. And then out here in the desert, dude, it always gets so windy and dusty out here. It sucks. Nothing stays clean here for at least like 2 days. Like my bumper was so clean. I wanted to show you guys this when it was clean. So here's the bumper. I never showed you guys. Did a pretty bad job. It's just when I picked it up, it was so hot, dude. I wanted to go inside AC and just chill, and I didn't get to record it. The car's finally looking good now. So I did an emblem delete. I always do an emblem delete, and then the lip is black. People always ask me if it's color matched, because in pictures you can't really tell because it's dark, but yeah, it is black everywhere where it's supposed to be gray, like the OEM Nismo bumpers, how they are gray. This is all black, and then it's color matched, of course. But also another thing I did, I got quick releases, because where my last bumper broke from was like right here, this little corner on the bumper. So you know, now I'm gonna just run these to prevent that from happening again. They don't look bad either. I went with the black, so it doesn't really pop out. I do want to get black bolts here too. I don't really want to run silver, but I'll do that later. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers. I think right now we're at like 1,200, almost 1,300. So my account is finally monetized. Appreciate you guys for watching the video, subscribing, liking, commenting. All right, I'll show you guys what it's like to strap in these harnesses. Once you're strapped in, trust me, you don't want to unstrap. If you want to go outside for like 30 seconds, throw something out, it ain't worth it. Just wait. Just pull that down. Ready for takeoff. It's super cool how a couple guys find me on YouTube and then hit me up on Instagram, and they message me and they just tell me how much they like the content, all the videos I'm putting out, how they like the build, and they just tell me some like motivational stuff. I don't know, they tell me to keep going, keep doing it, keep putting out content, that they love seeing it. So I appreciate everyone that takes the time to message me stuff like that, because that stuff does help me. It does keep me motivated, and it does make me happy, honestly. So I appreciate you guys. Also, shout out to UA Auto Works. He's the one that does all my body work and my paint work. Him and his brother boosted RX-7s. I'll plug their Instagrams in right now. Shout out to them, man. They do amazing work. I can trust them with anything on my car when it comes to body work stuff. They painted my duckbill, they painted my last Nismo bumper 2 years ago, and they painted this one too. And dude, always do an amazing job. Happy, man.